Hi students, today I am going to explain this exercise 4, that is revision 4. Question number 1, see question number 1, find the value of 11 cube. Easiest one, find the value of 11 cube. 11 cube is equal 11 into 11 into 11. Multiply it, how much you will got, that one will be your answer. Okay, then see question number 2, there is 2 into 10 cube is equal 2 into 10 cube, that means 3 10 are there, 10 into 10. Multiply it, how much you will got, that one will be your answer. Okay, like this way. Question number 3, that is 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 5. Okay, see, if power is minus, then we can make it plus if you inverse it. Suppose if a by b, a fraction is there, a by b. Okay, if there is power 2, then if you write this one b by a, then this you have to change the sign of the power. Okay, like this way. If you inverse this one, then it will become 2 to the power, then power here sign is minus, then here it will become plus. Then multiply 5 into 5 into 5, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5 2. Multiply it, how much you will got, that one will be your answer. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. Your answer will be 32. Okay, like this way. One more question is there, that one is for your homework. Then see, express the following number in terms of power. First one is 729. First you have to factorize like this way. 729, and then this is not divisible by 2. Then you have to see, is it divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible by 3, because 7 plus 2 is equal 9. 9 is divisible by 3, and this 9 is also divisible by 3. That means whole number will be divisible by 3. Then 3 to the 6, 1 is left here, 1 and 2 became 12, 3 4 the 12, then 3 3 the 9. Again see, 2 plus 4, 6 is divisible by 3, and this 3 is also divisible by 3. That means this whole number is divisible by 3. 3 8 the 24, then 3 1 the 3. Again 8 plus 1 9, it is divisible by 3. 3 to the 6, then 2 is left, 21, 3 7 the 21. Then again this is divisible by 3. 3 9 the 27, then 3 3 the 9. Now see, 729 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 is equal 3 to the power 6. Like this way you have to do this. Then next one is for your homework. Then last one, see last one, for number 4, 108 into 192. Now first you do 108, it is divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 is left, 14, then 7. Now this is not divisible by 2, this is divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27, again 3 3s are 9. 108 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Then 192. Then see 192. This is divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18. Then 1 is left, 12. 2 6s are 12. Then again it is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8. Then 1 is left, it will become 16. 2 8s are 16. And then again it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Again this is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 6s are 12. 2 3 is 6. Okay, now 192 can be written as 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 6 is there, then 1 3. Okay, then this one can be written as 2. How many 2's are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 to the power 8 into 3 to the power, how many 3 is there? 1 2 3 4. 3 to the power 4. This is your answer. Like this way you have to do question number 2. Then question number 2 is homework for you. Then see question number 3, simplify. Here just you have to simplify. Minus 3 square into minus 5 square. Okay, then if you square this negative, then it will become positive. Then 3 3 is 9 into, then if you square this minus also, it will become positive. Minus 5 square, that means minus 5 into minus 5. First minus into minus became plus. 5 5 is 25. Okay, then multiply it. How much you will get? That one will be your answer. 9 5 is 45. 4 left. 9 2 is 18. 18 plus 4 22. This is your answer. Okay, now this is most important one. See question number 3. 2 to the power 0 into 3 to the power 0 into 4 to the power 0. Then if you know anything to the power 0 is equal how much? 1. 1 into 1 into 1. Your answer will be 1. Okay, like this way. See question number last number, question number 6. There is 5 by 8 to the power minus 7 into 8 by 5 to the power minus 4. Now see here, this one is 5 by 8, this one is 8 by 5. We can change any one of them. Then see here, suppose I am changing this one 8 by 5. Then here power will be how much? 7. Because we already, if you inverse this thing, then power will be, sign of the power will be changed. Okay, then into 8 by 5 whole to the power minus 4. We know if we multiply, then we have to add the power. Suppose a to the power, suppose a to the power m into a to the power n. One formula is there. If this one is a, this one is also a, but power is different. Then what you have to do? A to the power m plus n. If there in between there is divide sign, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal a to the power m minus n. Remember this thing. Then now see this one, it will 8 by 5 in place of a, here there is 8 by 5. Then power we have to add it, 7 plus, here this one is minus 4. Then put one bracket here, then it will become 8 by 5 whole to the power 7 plus into minus became minus, minus 4 is equal 8 by 5 to the power 7 minus 4 is equal 3. This is your answer. Okay, like this way. One more question is left, that one you have to do. Then question number, see question number 4. Compare the following numbers. One is your 2 by 8, sorry 2 to the power 8, and another one is 8 square. Which one is greater? Then multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 to the power, that means 2 to the power 8 is equal, multiply it, how much you will got? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 is equal 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64, 64 to the multiply 6 here, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64, 64, then here 2 to the 4, multiply it, 4 4 the 16, 6, 1 is left, 4 6 the 24, 24 plus 1, 25 is equal how much? 256. Then another one is 8 square. 8 square is equal 8 into 8 is equal 64. Now which one is greater? 2 to the power 8 is greater than 8 to the power 2. Okay, like this way you have to do. Okay, for today this much only. In next class I will explain the rest portion. Okay, thank you.